We have already seen that the constitutionality of the Voting Rights Act may be on the table. Some members of the court are already making noises about finding Title VII unconstitutional, not only as applied to public employment, but also as applied to private employers, at least where the disproportionate impact theory of discrimination is concerned. And that has been the most powerful theory under Title VII for the transformation of the American workplace. In addition, Title VIII of the Fair Housing Act of 1968 also includes the two theories of discrimination: disparate treatment, which is intentional racial discrimination, but also disparate impact, which is a theory that the disproportionate effect on minorities of a standard for finding housing or buying housing is unlawful under Title VIII unless strong justification is provided. And so we have a lot at stake with the Roberts Court, to wit, the constitutionality of the major civil rights legislation of the Second Reconstruction. A lot is at stake. This civil rights legislation was achieved at a cost of life, not life, many lives. And if integration strategies in employment, in voting, and also in education are presumptively unconstitutional, or if the court goes further to declare that they are flatly unconstitutional, how likely is it that we will see broad societal change in an increasingly diverse America? Are we back to the future? We have a choice. We can interpret laws and the Constitution as barriers to racial transformation, as our country experienced under Taney in the Dred Scott case, or we might have another choice, that we might enable legislatures to shape a vision, and school boards and courts to shape a vision of equality and full societal participation. That is a choice. We have to face the fact, however, that we are far from the promised land in the struggle for a desegregated society. So as I said at the beginning, race defines judicial legacies. We have the legacy of Taney, the legacy of Fuller, and the legacy of Chief Justice Warren in Brown versus Board of Education. We have problems in our country. Our dream has we have yet to realize our dream in the area of political participation and power, in the area of employment, and also in our schools. So race defines those legacies. What will be the legacy of Chief Justice Roberts? Thank you very much.